if you are someone who loves spicy noodles, Maggi's and momos, then today's recipe is definitely for you, because I am sharing homemade chili oil recipe, and using that will make an absolutely delicious peanut butter chili oil Maggi. So let's start. In a pan I have added about 1 cup of refined oil. You can use any neutral flavor oil. Into that I am adding some chopped garlic, chopped onion, coriander stems and about 1 tablespoon of ginger. Now keep the flame on low to medium flame. This step is really important. You don't want to fry this ingredient aggressively. You just want the oil to slowly absorb all the beautiful flavors and aroma. Next I'm adding a small cinnamon stick, 1 dry red chili, a few black peppercorns and 1 bay leaf. These whole spices add a wonderful depth of flavor to the chili oil. Keep stirring occasionally and let everything infuse slowly. You want the onion and garlic to turn lightly golden and aromatic, not burnt, okay? Burnt garlic can make the oil bitter, so patience is the key here. Once the oil is beautifully infused, strain it carefully. Don't throw away the oil. In a heat-proof bowl, I have added chili flakes, chili powder, brown sugar and some of the flavorful vegetable mixture. Now comes the most satisfying part. Carefully pour the hot oil. Into that add toasted sesame seed, vinegar and soya sauce. Give everything a really good mix until all the spices are evenly combined with the chili oil. So, and that's that. Our homemade chili oil is ready. Look at the gorgeous color. So transfer it to a clean glass jar. You can store it in a refrigerator for at least 1 month. It tastes amazing. Now let's make the star of today's video, this peanut butter chili oil. In a pan, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons unsweetened peanut butter. Then goes some fresh coriander leaves, chili flakes, toasted sesame seeds, minced garlic, and the Maggi masala sachet, about 2 packets. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of our homemade chili oil and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now I'm pouring the hot oil over everything. This helps bloom all the spices and garlic, making the flavors much more intense and aromatic. Give it a good mix until you get a smooth, glossy sauce. The peanut butter adds a creaminess, while the chili oil brings the perfect amount of heat and flavor. Once the sauce is ready, you will have to add the boiled Maggi noodles. I actually haven't shooted it. You can just boil the Maggi noodles, the normal Maggi, or you can use spaghetti as well. Also, I'm squeezing in some of the fresh lemon juice. The lemon balances the richness beautifully and adds a lovely freshness to the dish. So now mix everything really well until every strand of noodle is coated with that creamy, spicy and nutty sauce. And that's it. Our peanut butter chili oil Maggi is ready to enjoy. It's spicy, creamy, flavorful and honestly one of the easiest comfort food recipes you can make at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video with another easy and tasty recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.